Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make baked egg curry. Now we shall take a look on the ingredient we are going to use for this recipe. 6 eggs, 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, Indian spices, ginger garlic paste, green chilli, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, curry and coriander leaves, salt to taste. Take a pan, grease oil in it. Beat the egg smoothly and now pour it in the pan and close the pan with a lid. After 5 minutes, open the lid. The egg will be baked like this. Add salt and pepper on the egg. Transfer it to a plate. Now cut the eggs into many cube shapes and keep it aside. We are going to use it later. Now take another pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil and wait till the oil gets heated. Now add Indian spices and fry it. And now add ginger garlic paste to it and fry. Now add the onion and fry for 2 minutes and then add tomatoes and fry the mixture. Now close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add green chilies and coriander leaves to it. And now add red chilli powder and turmeric powder and saute it nicely and again close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add salt and pepper to it. Add half glass of water to the curry mixture and saute it nicely. Now drop the egg cubes into the curry masala and mix it well until the masalas blend with it. And now close the lid for 5 minutes so that the masala will be nicely blended to the egg and the masala will taste nicely and the egg will be smooth. See, now the baked egg curry masala is ready. The masalas have been nicely coated to the egg and it is very tasty. And now transfer them into a bowl. This can be tasted with bread, naan, chapati, brown rice or basmati rice or ghee rice. Try this and share your experience in our comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.